Hi guys, what's up? Larissa here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I revamped this old wig that I have. So if you're interested in this video, make sure to keep watching. Next I'll be adding shampoo to the hair, and you can see how dirty the water is. Make sure that whenever you're done shampooing your hair that the water is running clear. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my conditioner. Make sure that you use your hands to rake that conditioner all the way throughout the hair. And here is the secret to reviving the hair, and that's using fabric softener. It doesn't matter what kind you have. I had a little bit of Snuggle left over, and so I added that to the hair. This will make the hair softer and it'll bring the hair right back to life. You're just going to use a comb and you're going to make sure that the conditioner and the fabric softener is evenly spread throughout the hair. After this, I did not record it, but I let the conditioner sit on the hair for about, let's say 30 minutes. I rinsed it out and then I let it air dry for the night. And this is what the wig looks like the next day. I have my hair pulled back into a little bun, and I'm just going to show you guys how I install this wig. Now you'll see me using the end of the comb to tap it down into place, and I'll use a blow dryer on the coolest setting to make sure that it's dry and that it'll stay put all day. So now I'm taking my flat iron and I'm straightening my hair just a little bit before I do my curls. I do find that if I straighten it out first, that it does cause for a smoother finish whenever I'm using the flat iron to put my curls in. I am using a wax stick I got from the beauty supply store on the top of my hair, as well as a hot comb, to make sure that I can get the top of my head as smooth as possible. And then next you'll see me using a flat iron to put the curls in. I do not know how to curl my hair, to be honest, but I tried my best and it came out okay, I guess.
Ooh.